Hey guys, Andrew from Fit College New Zealand here with a muscle building tip. Today I'm going to be discussing the principles of nutrition. First and foremost, the most important part of your nutrition is calories. How many calories you're consuming. You're going to be either eating at maintenance, where there's going to be no change in your body weight, surplus, where your body weight will increase because you're consuming more calories than you're burning, or you're in a deficit, where your body is reducing its weight due to consuming less than you are burning. Next is macronutrients. How you disperse those calories is also important. You want to be consuming around 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, and the rest of your calories are split between carbs and fats. Depending on what kind of training you do, if you're into a lot of weight training, you're probably going to want to be eating a bit more carbs than fat in order to boost your insulin in and around your workout times for recovery. Next is micronutrients. Aim for around 20 grams of fibre throughout your diet, and also consume a lot of fruits and vegetables in order to get the vitamins and minerals from your diet. Tune in next time for more muscle building tips.